This is the Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can check how much of a random access memory amount you have on this device. So first of all, you gotta launch settings, then enter the battery and device care category, and in here you'll be able to see how much of a random access memory or RAM you have, which is in my case 6 gigabytes, as well as how much of it is currently occupied. If you would like to learn more, you can also enter the dedicated memory section over here, and also see how much of RAM plus memory you have, which is the virtual addition to the hardware RAM, basically. So in my case it is 6 gigabytes of virtual RAM, which will be assisting all the tasks that a regular RAM performs. So you can add those values and get the general amount of RAM you have, which is in my case 6 plus 6 equals 12. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.